Welcome. Today in front of me Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings and scroll down to the additional settings section. Yeah, just scroll a little bit more down, and here we get the developer options tab there, and just to hide our developer options tab here once on the switcher. And now you should go back and to the additional settings, and here if we'll go back, we can't see here anymore our developer options because we just turned them off at the moment. So that's how it is. And if you like this video, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.